What's going on, guys? It's Connor from Cobbs Capital bringing you another weekly recap of the market. This week, to get right into it, Dow Jones and S&P 500 both were down 1.3%, while the NASDAQ fell a shocking 2.8%. Something that we saw kind of behind this large drop this week was just developing news from the Ukraine-Russia conflict. There was one night the futures were down drastically because Russia was firing on a nuclear power plant. There were all sorts of different geopolitical things that were affecting the market this week, all news-based. Not what we like to see as traders. Beyond that, we saw the 10-year treasury yield increase slightly, even though it is down over the past couple weeks. The current 10-year treasury is 1.74%. And beyond that, the big kicker for this week is oil. The amount of money per barrel that people are paying is $114.73. That is up 25% on the week and 52.5% on the year. Let's kind of get to the bottom of that. Why is the price of oil going up? It seems like these past few months, every once in a while, a commodity will just shoot up in value. Right now, there's a reason for that. Russia is one of the largest exporters of oil in the world. And so with Russia going into this war right now, and we're kind of, considering not buying oil from Russia anymore. We canceled a pipeline with Russia. So oil is beginning to become more scarce as this war goes on, and scarcity drives value. So we're going to see the price of oil and even gas for your car going up in these next few weeks. And currently right now, as you can see, it's up to 25% in a week. The next thing we're going to go ahead and look at here is just some brief earnings reports. There weren't too many this week that were notable. The biggest heavy hitter this week was Snowflake, the software as a service company, dropped 30% when they announced their earnings. Besides that, there was the Berkshire Hathaway letter to shareholders, where Warren Buffett announced that he bought back $27 billion worth of stock this month, which means that, he's quite bullish on his own stock. You tell me what that says. So overall, this week, the market went down. It was very volatile. Again, like I've been saying these past 2 weeks, the market's extremely news-based right now. And as traders, as we are here at Cobbs Capital, you have to be careful. You have to have tight stop losses set if you are currently trading right now, because any politician, anybody saying anything can move this market 1% in either direction. If you get caught with your pants down at the wrong time, you're done for. So obviously, be very careful with this market. I can't stress it enough. The news this week is tremendous. There's always some development 3-4 times a day, swinging the market. Be careful. That's kind of the whole message I have here as we're watching this Ukraine-Russia situation develop, is if you are a trader, you must be careful. Beyond that, we do have a lot of helpful resources on the Cobbs Capital YouTube channel. Definitely make sure to check those out and subscribe. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day.